Mine? No, I think it might be because of my recording is being weird. How Tentacles is recording? Or weird? Alright. I haven't heard it being echoey, but okay. Okay. Alright. Let's go I think Brig works with this though. But well, Lucio's good. Yeah, we can do that. Um yeah, let's go left. We're go Vikings. Yep. Well, so they know we're going this way, that's fine. Let's get this Rhine before we go anywhere. I have bubble in 5. It's down. Rhine AD right here. Pull. It's fine. Come back in the room if you can. We have 2 in here. No. It's gonna be tough. We baited out an ult. I would just no. Hold all ults. Let's just regroup. Yep, they don't have any counters. I have Grav. Okay. Reaper no Wraith in front. Okay, I'll let you know. Reaper's behind you, Ryan. Oh shit. Alright. Let's we don't have any heals. I would back out. Yeah, we can hard push him with that later. Yep. Okay, if you want to charge him, that's fine. Okay, now, go. Nice, that's good. No more ults. This is 1. Cool, cool. Alright, let's push up a bit while we cap. Let's try to... no, Lucio come up and have Ana on cart. Because she has the range. Oh. D.Va's low left side. I got bubble and 3 rider. Yep. Okay, let's go to cart. Ryan's half. That's okay. Yep. By gate. He's probably coming up top. Heads up. Oh, we need someone on cart. D.Va's on a mech. Watch, you're alone over there. Yep. Wait for that. Yep. Come on. Two of them. That's all right. Let's just regroup. Let's go top and try to hop down on them. Okay. Yeah, let's wait it out. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Nice. Yep. Nope. Nope. This should be one. All right. Let's get this Ana. Get this Ana. She's behind. Nice. I don't have bubble. Bubble in 6. Nice. Good, good, good. Ryan is 1. Ryan's down. Let's get that soldier. All right. Okay. We can engage with that. There's a baby diva just chilling up top here. And she's actually going to kill me. Yep. Let's, we need to get on point. Both tanks are looking at point, so we should. Yeah. Just keep pushing. Yeah, I'll watch behind on it. You can push forward. Tank, go ahead and push forward. Yeah, just ignore. Yep. Ah, damn. Sorry, I should have called it. I saw him up top. That was not a good ult. Yeah. Yeah, let's grab tire this next fight. Let's group up, though. No, they don't. We said Aragon left. We have to wait. Don't engage. Don't engage. Sorry, we're waiting on the grab tire. All right. Go. It's all at the door. Nice. Okay, now we can push this. The Widow on cart. Widow on cart. Widow's 1 right side. All right. Yep, yep, yep. Shit. Shit, they have Bastion. Heads up. Bastion by the doors. Ryan's behind. Ryan is low behind. All right. Shit. You know what? Oh, shit. All right. Sorry. I need to die faster. All right. Definitely think we should stick with the junk. Okay. Are you more comfortable with Genji? Okay. Um. Well, if they're still running that Widow, that's going to be a problem. So, yeah, I would. Okay, then yeah, go far. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, no. Since we have both mains, like, then definitely pocket the fire. We should be all right. It's yeah, it's better to. It'll be better keeping her alive. Okay. I'm not seeing a Mercy though, so she doesn't have a pocket. They're coming right side. They're running a Winston, so they're running kind of dive. I got shield in two. Ryan, you got to pull back. You're alone. Yep. Far right above mid. Wrong bubble, sorry. I need to swap. Can we get a brig? Possibly. It'll shut this down a lot. Okay. Actually, we should definitely switch off the Genji. Because you're just getting hard countered as Genji. Let's group up. Group up, group up. Actually, tentacles, I would just die and switch if you can. Okay, okay. They're above us here. Okay, I guess we have a hog now. No, that's fine. I didn't hear it. I can switch to an Orisa. Just getting shredded by this diva. Let's group up. Let's group up. Tentacles, blade, and switch off. Oh, you got purpled. That was brutal. Sorry. Yeah, McCree would also be great right now. Yeah. Soldiers back left, behind. Yep. Nice. Yeah, Brig, you gotta stay grouped with the main tanks. Just to give us a little more cushion. That's it. That's yeah. That's true. Keeping the Mercy probably would have been better.